Good afternoon, Carl with Barb-Tech Tools. As an industry leader in portable hose assembly solutions, Barb-Tech Tools has revolutionized the way industry approaches push-lock hose assembly. But today, I'm introducing a new tool designed specifically for the e-mobility industry, for the electrification of commercial vehicles is rapidly transforming the market. Parker Parflex ECH hose and VDA fittings system is quickly becoming industry standard for electronic cooling systems in these electric vehicles. But with this innovation comes a set of unique assembly challenges. So let's take a closer look on how Barb-Tech can help you tackle these. First, let's address the challenge of gripping the slippery ECH hose. The exterior jacket of these hoses can be tough to grip during assembly, and leading to lost time and incomplete leak-prone connections. The Barb-Tech ECH tool solves this by featuring a secure clamping system that holds the 3 different hose sizes. It uses a jaw system, which is interchangeable to cover the different sizes of hoses that are available in the ECH line. So there's no slipping, there's no sliding, you get precise control with every assembly. Now let's talk about the force needed to push these fittings into the hose, which is often over 250 psi. It's difficult to apply enough pressure manually to achieve the insertion of the fitting, which can lead to lost time and, again, incomplete leak-prone connections. Thanks to the mechanical advantage built into the Barb-Tech ECH tool, you'll use far less effort to achieve the necessary pressure to install fittings. It's fast, it's efficient, and significantly reduces assembly errors. Another challenge is stabilizing the fittings while the hose is being pushed over the barbed connection, especially the more complex components like the 45 and 90-degree elbow fittings. These fittings need to be well supported and is the key to their successful installation. Barb-Tech ECH tool features 3 different size mandrels for the 45, 90, and straight fittings. This ensures accuracy during installation and stabilizes the fitting for precise connection every time. The Barb-Tech ECH hose assembly toolkit is engineered to overcome the unique challenges of working with the Parker Parflex ECH hose and VDA fittings. Whether you're assembling cooling systems for commercial electric vehicles or other demanding e-mobility applications, this tool offers the portability, unmatched precision, and efficiency, and ease of use. Are you ready to streamline your assembly process? Visit barbtechtools.com to learn more about the Barb-Tech ECH hose assembly tool and how it can help you improve efficiency in your projects.